Dear friend, welcome to watch HitPaw AI News. Is it possible to run stable diffusion on iPhone? Actually, yes, and it has come true recently. Thanks to the developer called Lulu, he developed an application called Draw Thin's Eye Generation based on trending stable diffusion models. The app allows you to use stable diffusion on iPhone and is completely free in the App Store. So amazing! After installing the app, it will download a 2 GB stable diffusion model, then you may enter the app. It has an UI for iPhone and supports most trending AI models, including Stable Diffusion 1.4, 1.5, InPainting, Waifu and many other models. Similar to the web or PC version, you can add prompts, adjust the seeds, steps, samplers and many other settings. I downloaded the app and tested it on an iPhone 12 and iPhone 14 Pro. Both using the same default settings. The default image size on iPhone 14 Pro is 512 by 512. But when I choose it on iPhone 12, the device gave me a warning that it might not be able to run the settings. I guess the app has high demand for device capability. Hit generate at the same time. After a few seconds, the app just crashed on both devices. So this time I chose reduce the image size to 384 by 384 and hit generate. iPhone 14 Pro was undoubtedly faster. Took 36 seconds, while iPhone 12 took 1 minute to complete. And then I started to feel the heat of both devices. I kept playing around with the brush and inpainting tools and increased the image size. This time the app didn't crash on iPhone 14 Pro, but on iPhone 12. I thought there might be some reasons that the app wasn't that stable, or the overheat decreased the capabilities of iPhone. Anyway, it is free to use on the App Store and we can expect it to be more stable in the future. This is HitPaw AI. Subscribe us to get latest AI news and tools with videos. See you next time.